Looking for an easy, code-free way to build beautiful forms, surveys, and quizzes that actually work? Meet Formly, your new favorite productivity tool, now available on AppSumo. Click the link below to grab the deal before it's gone. Let's get started. What is Formly? Formly is a powerful no-code platform that lets you create fully customized forms, quizzes, and surveys in minutes, no tech skills required. Whether you're collecting feedback, generating leads, or conducting quizzes, Formly gives you the flexibility and control without the complexity. Let's talk features. Here's what makes Formly stand out. Drag and drop form builder, effortlessly create forms without touching a single line of code. Conditional logic, show or hide questions based on user input to make your forms more interactive. Offline data collection, collect data even when you're not connected to the internet. Integrations, connect with 3,000 plus apps like Google Sheets, Stripe, and MailChimp. Custom branding and white labeling, make it truly yours with custom domains, logos, and themes. Real-time analytics, see submissions and analyze responses instantly. AppSumo deal. Now let's talk deal. On AppSumo, you can grab Formly for a one-time payment instead of paying monthly like Typeform or Jotform. And yes, it includes lifetime access. Click the link below to grab the deal before it's gone. Pros: intuitive interface, great for remote teams, no-code simplicity, offline functionality. Cons: limited advanced design options compared to some larger platforms. Mobile app could be smoother. Or, if you're a coach, agency, marketer, or small business owner who needs a simple and reliable way to collect data or create interactive content, Formly is a solid investment. Final thoughts. Formly is feature-rich, easy to use, and ridiculously affordable with this AppSumo deal. If you've been stuck with overpriced form builders, it's time to make the switch. Click the link below to grab the deal before it's gone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more honest SaaS reviews.